Hello and a very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home along with all your family members. You are taking good care of yourselves as the weather is changing and it has become colder. Now, dear children, this is your maths magic textbook. So, obviously, you have understood that this is your maths turn today. And I once again welcome you in the maths class. And in this, we are continuing with lesson number 7, part 1. We had already did on the last week. Now, this week, we'll continue with the part 2, lesson number 7. The name of the lesson is Time Goes On. In the first part, we studied about the festivals. We saw the calendar, the days on which certain festivals fall. Then we had to arrange the festivals according to the which comes in the January, then February, March. Accordingly, we also wrote the different festivals. We saw how many weeks are there in a month, then how many Sundays fall in a month, how many Tuesdays are there, and there are sometimes 4 or 5 Mondays or Sundays also in a month. So how many days are there in a month, how many which of the months have 30 days, which months have 31 days, all that we did in the last turn. Now today we are going to study about the calendar magic. That means we are going to study about some magical numbers or the magic that can be created. Here is the calendar for the month of February 2019. This calendar is of last year 2019. Now let us mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. This is the month of February. You can see a square has been done. 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20, and 21. Around this numbers or these dates there has been a square which has been done. Now what is the magic is that which is the number in the center of the square? This is the number 13. 1 2 3 4 5. Here also this is 3, this is 3. So this is the number which is at the center. यहाँ से 3 नंबर है, यहाँ पे 3 नंबर है और यहाँ पर तो सेंटर में जो लाइन आती है उसका जो बीच का नंबर है that will be the exact center. That is your number 13. You can see here also in the picture it is shown that it's how you can make out the center. 5 6 दिस वे यू हैव। तो जहाँ पर जो ये पॉइंट कट होता है तो कौन से नंबर पर ये दोनों लाइंस कट होती हैं एक दूसरे को? दैट इज योर नंबर 13. सो द सेंटर number is 13. Join the three numbers by drawing a line. The line must pass through the numbers at the center. Now how many such lines can be drawn? Add these numbers on each of these lines. What do you notice? Now अगर हम यहाँ से ऐसे लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं जैसे कि 12, 13 and 21. This way we draw the line. Then what is the total? The total comes to 39. If we draw the line like this, then the total is 39. Then 6, 13 and 20. 6, 13 and 20. If we draw the line, then also total is 39. Then 19, 13 and 7. 19, 13 and 7. If we draw this line like this, then also the total is 39. And 12, 13 and 14. That means 12, 13 and 14. If we draw the line this way also, then the total is 39. That means whatever way you add the number, the total comes out to 39 only. Now look at the calendar of 2019. Also look for the present month and draw as many similar squares in your notebook as you can. Now see, I have drawn one square like this: 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 16, 22, 21, 22 and 23. So you can do like this. You can take 3 numbers like this, any numbers, but try at first check the total, that which if it comes to the same all way diagonally as standing and sleeping way, all the total of all the 3 numbers should be the same. Now if we move this, you have to write only the answers like this in the textbook only, nothing more to do in this book, in this part. Now we move on to page number 106. This is also about the magic only. This here the calendar for the month of March 2019 is shown here. I can add 5 numbers in this box in a moment. Now here you can see the total calendar is there. Oh, that will take some time. The total is 75. That is right. How did you do that? Simply just multiply the middle number by 5. Now here, what is the middle number that you have to find out and then multiply it by 5? So this we are not going to do. This we are going to omit because it has nothing to do with any of the maths part that we have to do ahead in the workbook. We move on to page number 107 now. Here, complete the calendar for the August 2018. Now here you can see the calendar is drawn here. आप इसको जो है plain दिया हुआ है. Sunday, Monday, that is days are written and the month starts from the Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. The month of August in 2018 starts from Wednesday. First date is already written here, then 7th is written here. Now you can draw these lines like this to make a proper calendar August month, and then you can write the dates as complete the calendar up to 31st of August, as August has 31 days. Now what you have to do is color all the Sundays in red. So this part you have to color it in the red colors, because normally in the calendars also Sundays are shown, or the holidays that are there, they are shown in the red color or in some different colors, so that you can know that these are the days which are the holidays. Now write the number of days in this month. So total number of days in the month of August is 31 days. What day is it on the 13th August? Now you can see from this 13th August is Monday. So I have written here Monday. What is the date on the second Saturday? Now first Saturday is 4th and second Saturday is 11th. So 11th of August. 11th of August. Then is 21st a Sunday? 21st is Sunday? No, it is not Sunday. It is Tuesday. You can see from here it is Tuesday. This is Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. So 21st is Tuesday. What is the day on 29th? What will be the day on the same day next week? Now on 29th, let us check on 29th. It is Wednesday. 29th is Wednesday, and next week will be 7th of November. That means next, because here 31st the month ends. So from here, then from Saturday the first will be there 1, 2, 3, 4. From Saturday the first will start. So 7th of November will be there on the next week same day. Then, how many Thursdays are there in this month? You can count the Thursdays. This is your Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 Thursdays are there in this month. Now, next is your find out which months in the calendar of 2018 have 5 Sundays. In the textbook, as in just 2 or 3 pages back, which on page number 102 the calendar is given. From there I have written April, June, September and December have the 5 Sundays. Then is there any other day in any month which is comes 5 times? Yes, it is. Can there be 6 Sundays in a month? No. Why? No month, because a month has 30 or 31 days, so 6 Sundays are not possible. Maximum of 5 Sundays can be possible, or but 6 are never possible. So dear children, we move on to page number 108. Hello children, before moving on to page number 108, I did one mistake. So I want to correct it, rectify that mistake. Which is the day on the 29th? What will be the day on the same day next week? Now this part is correct. Wednesday is the 29th, but the next week it will be 5th of September, not November. After August comes the September. So it will be 5th of September next week, Wednesday, 5th of September, not 7th of November. By mistake I have written, and I told you also 7th of November, but it will be 5th of September, next Wednesday. Because after August, which month comes? After August comes September, then October, and then November. Now we move on to page number 108. There's a true story of the Pedki Devi. This is the story. On the basis of this story, there's a timeline that has been drawn here, and according to that you have to fill this timeline, and at the mark ABCD that is written here, that you have to do. First we'll go through the story. Everybody will read the story in their textbooks also on their own. My name is Pedki Devi. I live in the village of Dhanbad district. Now Dhanbad district is in Bihar. I never got a chance to go to school. So she never went to school. This lady who is telling her a true story about her own life, that she lived in a village in Dhanbad district and she never got chance to go to the school. So I remember that when I was 5 years, I broke my foot. I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit, but the branch broke and I fell down. My foot still hurts in the winter. So when she was 5 years old, she climbed a jamun tree to eat the jamun, but the branch of the jamun tree broke and she fell down and she broke her foot. And till date, that and now she's grown up and she's telling the story, but till date she feels that in the winter season, I still that hurts me, that pains me, my broken leg. You all know that the jamun tree, the branches are very very soft, it cannot take too much of a weight. So she fell down from the tree. Many a times you also climb the trees to get the fruits. While grazing my goats, we often get busy in playing. Once at the age of 10 years, I got a big scolding. I had lost one goat. At the age of 15 years, I was married. My husband was much older than me. My first daughter was born when after 3 years after my marriage. Later, I had three more children when I was 20, 22, and 24 years old. Now, she used to graze her goats. In the villages, people use cattle and the goats, and the children often take these cattle for the grazing. While grazing, they often play also. The cattle graze and the children play, looking around the goats and the cattle also. But once while she was busy playing, she lost one of her goats, and there was she got a great good scolding from her parents also. And by the age of 15, when she reached the age of 15, she was married, and her husband was quite older in her age. मतलब 15 साल की उम्र में उसकी शादी हो गई और उसका हस्बैंड जो था उससे उम्र में काफ़ी बड़ा था. और उसकी जो फर्स्ट डॉटर was she had when she 3 years after the marriage, that means at the age of 18, 15 साल के 15 ईयर्स के एज में उसकी शादी हुई. तो उसके 3 साल बाद मतलब 16, 17 एंड 18 ईयर्स की एज में उसकी फर्स्ट डॉटर हुई. एंड लेटर शी हैड थ्री मोर चिल्ड्रन एट द एज ऑफ 20, 22 एंड 24 ईयर्स. जब she was 20 years old, then she had the second child. When she was 22 years old, she had the third child, and when she was 24 years old, she had the fourth child. So ऐसे उसके चार बच्चे थे. Time passed very fast. I was busy with the farm, household work, and looking after my animals. But at the age of 35, my world came to a stop. Now, as the time passed by, she was busy looking after the children, looking after the farm and the animals they had, and doing the household work. Everything she was busy with that only, as normally the people do in the women do in India. But at the age of 35, a turning point came in her life. What was that turning point? And her life completely stopped at बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इंसिडेंट दैट हैपेंड इन हर लाइफ. एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट उसकी लाइफ में आया जब वो 35 ईयर्स की थी कि उसका लाइफ टोटली चेंज हो गया और सडनली द लाइफ स्टॉप्ड. एकदम उसकी जो लाइफ जैसे स्मूथली चल रही थी वो एकदम रुक गई. My husband fell ill and died. His brothers tried to take away our farm. They beat me badly and said I was a witch. Some good people saved me. We fought a case against those who beat me. And at the age of 40, I saw a police station for the first time. Now, क्या इंसिडेंट हुआ कि उसके हस्बैंड एकदम बीमार हुए एंड ही डाइड. उसके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई. फिर उसके जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स थे, उसके जो और सब जो उसके हस्बैंड के जो भाई थे वो सब ने उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि इसका फार्म जो है अब हम ले लेते हैं. इसलिए उसको बहुत मारा भी बुरी तरीके से और उसको ऐसा बोला कि तू विच है. विच मतलब चुड़ैल टाइप का होता है ना, वैसे बोलते हैं गाँव में. तो तू विच है करके ऐसे उसको बोला. लेकिन कुछ अच्छे लोग जो गाँव में थे उसने उसकी मदद की और उसने उनके अगेंस्ट केस किया और पुलिस स्टेशन में रिपोर्ट लिखाई कि उसने इन लोगों ने उसको मारा है ज़मीन लेने के लिए. सो एट द एज ऑफ 40. नाउ हियर द एज दैट I am telling you, at the age of 15 she got married. First child at the age of 13, second child 18, second at the age of 20, third at the age of 22, and fourth at the age of 24. So these ages you have to keep in mind because ये ages के ऊपर ही हमको timeline इधर बनाना है. फिर at the age of 40, so when she was 40 years old, she first time went to the police station for the to write a report against the people who had badly hurt her. When I was 45, I learned to read and write. After 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. Now I am 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. Two of my children are still studying in the school. So at the age of 45, she started learning to read and write. See the courage of this woman, that after so many things had happened in the life, she was not knowing anything, but at the age of 45, she started learning to read and write, and by now she is 50 years old, and she had at the age of 40, and 2 years later, मतलब कि 45 years के बाद 2 years later, that is 46 and 47 years जब उसकी हुई एज, तब उसकी पहले डॉटर के मैरिज हुआ. अभी वो 50 years की है, and she enjoys playing with the grandchildren, and two of her children are still studying in the school. Now this is the entire true story of the this woman. Now on page number 109 are some of the things that you have to draw in this timeline. You can see a is marked here at the age of 5. फिर 10 लिखा हुआ है, मतलब हमको 5 के मार्किंग्स छोड़कर 50 तक पूरा कंप्लीट करना है. 50 is already there, 40 is given, 30 is given, 20 is given. So 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 that is given here. They've already given these ages. Now in between अगर 15 आता है तो 10 और 20 के बिल्कुल सेंटर में 15 आएगा. तो हमने यहाँ 15 का मार्किंग किया हुआ है. जैसे 24 और 25 के बीच 25 इज द सेंटर बिटवीन 20 एंड 30, सो दैट इज 25. और उससे पहले क्या यहाँ आएगा 24. जस्ट बिफोर 25 विल बी 24. सो दिस वे आई हैव ऑल्सो डन सर्टन मार्किंग्स जहाँ जहाँ हमको हमारे जो क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंगली जो एज हमको यहाँ पर शो करनी है, वैसे मैंने यहाँ पर मार्किंग्स किए हुए हैं. नाउ सम थिंग्स दैट हैपेंड इन हर लाइफ आर गिवन बिलो, और सम इंसिडेंट्स जो उसके लाइफ में हुए वो सारे यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं. Mark these on her timeline. For example, when she was 5 years old, Pedki Devi broke her foot. A is marked at 5 on the timeline. So first is broke her foot. What incidents first happened in her life is उसके पैर जो है वो टूट गया था पेड़ से गिरने से. तो at the age of 5, तो यहाँ पर A में क्या लिखा हुआ है 5 लिखा है. Lost one goat. कब उसकी गोट खोई थी? When she was 10 years old. You can see here it is written that when I was 10 years old. सो ये चीज़ें जो है आपको बहुत ध्यान रखनी है. 10 years एज सारी ध्यान रखनी है. तो 10 years पे हमको क्या लिखना है? बी मार्क करना है. बी कब हुआ? व्हेन शी वॉज 10 years old. गॉट मैरिड एट द एज ऑफ 15. नाउ 15 years इज नॉट गिवन हियर, 10 and 20 is given. So at the center, exactly at the center will be 15 years. So you have to mark that C. Had the fourth child. What was her age when she had the fourth child? At the age of 24 years she had her fourth child. सो 20 और 30 के बीच में पहले हम 25 का मार्किंग करेंगे एक्जैक्टली एट द सेंटर, एंड देन अ लिटिल बिट बिफोर 25 विल मार्क 24 एंड राइट डी. द डी हैड द फोर्थ चाइल्ड. Saw a police station at the age of 40. So 40 is already given here, so we'll write here E. Learn to read and write at the age of 45. So between 40 and 50 exactly in the center will come 45, which is marked as F, when she started to learn and write. Elder daughter got married at the age 2 years later, that is your 47 years. So यहाँ से थोड़ा सा distance 45 से थोड़ा सा आगे, मतलब 46 and 47. So this is your G that I have written, 47 when she eldest daughter got married. So this is the way you have to write in that timeline. Now this we are not going to do, because mark on the timeline when she was born. In the blank box you have to draw the picture. मैंने ऐसे छोटा सा एक पिक्चर यहाँ पर आपको ड्रॉ करके दिखाया है when she was born. Mark on your own timeline. Ask people around you. ये इसलिए हमको ये ओमिट करना है. This we are not going to do. Just यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ऐसे बेबी का पिक्चर आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Moving on to page number 110 now. Moving on to page number 110 is one day in life of Kusum. Now here you can see now the topic has totally changed of what we did. Now it is all about the clock that we are going to study. Now the main, as the heading goes on, time goes on. तो अब यहाँ पर time के बारे में हम थोड़ा सा पढ़ेंगे. सो वन डे इन लाइफ ऑफ कुसुम. यहाँ पर कुसुम के जो रोज का डेली रूटीन है उसके बारे में हम यहाँ पर पढ़ेंगे. लेट्स सी व्हाट कुसुम डज एवरी डे. write down the time for each picture. Now you can see the pictures are shown. With the pictures they have shown that at what time Kusum gets up, what she did every day, what is her daily routine. Here the clock is also shown and the time is shown. At certain places the time is shown, so you have to write here the time. At certain places time is given and you have to draw the hands of the clock. You all remember that there are two hands of the clock. One is the big hand and the other is the small hand. Now small hand shows the hours and big hand shows the minutes. जो टू हैंड्स होते हैं क्लॉक में, मतलब दो कांटे होते हैं जो क्लॉक में, एक बड़ा कांटा होता है और एक छोटा होता है. जो छोटा कांटा होता है वो आवर्स को शो करता है और जो लंबा कांटा होता है वो मिनट्स को शो करता है. तो फॉर सम पिक्चर्स द टाइम इज ऑलरेडी रिटन एंड यू मस्ट ड्रॉ द हैंड्स ऑफ द क्लॉक. इन अदर्स यू हैव टू राइट द टाइम शोन बाय द क्लॉक. सो किसी में ड्रॉ किया हुआ है और किसी में हमको हैंड्स ड्रॉ करने हैं. Now first picture shows Kusum gets up early in the morning. Here the time shown by the clock is this: a small hand is at 6 and the big hand is at 12. That means कितने बजे हैं? 6 बजे हैं. So you have to write here 6 o'clock. Now second is at 6:30 in the morning. So time is given here 6:30. We have to draw the hands of the clock. So both the hands, the small hand will be a little bit ahead of 6 and the big hand will be exactly at 6. So 6:30 ho gaya. She brings water from the well. Now dear children, in this time you all remember how to see the time. This is your 12. Then after each number 5 minutes are there. So यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे तो 5, यहाँ से अगर होगा तो 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. It is complete table of 5 only. Now next is she cleans the house. At what time she cleans the house? It is 7. You can see the small hand is at 7 and the big hand is at 6. So it is 7:30. तो 7:30 बजे जो है सुबह, ये जो है 6 है और ये 7 है, तो 7:30 बजे जो है सुबह वो क्या करती है? घर को साफ करती है. Next is goes to school. At what time she? At 8 o'clock she goes to school. Here we have to draw the hands of the clock. So small hand will be at 8 and the big hand will be at exactly at 12 to show 8 o'clock. Moving on to page number 111. This is she is studying in school. At what time she is studying in school? You can see the small hand is at 10 and the big hand is at 12. That is at 10 a.m. in the morning. तो यहाँ पर हमको टाइम लिखना है 10 बजे का. She comes back from school. 1 o'clock she comes back from school. So here we have to draw the hands of the clock. Small hand at 1 and big hand at 12. So it will show 1 o'clock. Then she takes lunch with her brother and grandmother. At what time? Here you can see the time. At which number is the small clock? The small clock is at 2 and the small hand is at 2 and the big hand is at 12. So at is 2 o'clock they are taking their lunch. Then she plays with her friends 5:30 in the evening. मतलब शाम के 5:30 बजे जो है वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलते हैं. तो 5:30 बजे हम कैसे दिखाएंगे? स्मॉल हैंड विल बी अ लिटिल बिट अहेड ऑफ 5 and the big hand will be at 6. That is your 30 मिनट्स. तो बिग हैंड जो है वो 6 पे आएगा और स्मॉल हैंड जो है थोड़ा सा 5 से आगे आएगा. दैट विल शो 5:30 इन द इवनिंग. देन शी लिसन्स टू अ स्टोरी फ्रॉम हर ग्रैंड मदर बिफोर शी स्लीप्स. मतलब रात को सोने से पहले वो अपने ग्रैंड मदर से स्टोरी सुनती है. 9 o'clock एट 9 नाइट. तो हमको यहाँ पर जो है क्लॉक के अंदर 9 o'clock शो करना है. सो स्मॉल हैंड विल बी एट 9 एंड बिग हैंड विल बी एट 12. सो दिस इज 9 o'clock. Now we move on to page number 112, which is the last page of this lesson. So what does it say? Say now prepare a chart showing your own daily routine. I have written my own daily routine, but you have to write your own or you can make some changes if you want. आप अपने हिसाब से थोड़े बहुत changes आप कर सकते हैं अगर आपको करना है. ये मैंने अपना रूटीन लिखा है. Wake up at 6 o'clock. तो मैंने यहाँ 6 o'clock का टाइम शो किया है. At 6:30 take a bath and get ready. So यहाँ पर 6:30 I have shown. At 7 o'clock I take the breakfast. At 7:30, that is here, I have shown the time also. I have drawn the hands of the clock to show the time. Leave for school. At At 10:30 is the recess in the school. I have shown here time 10:30. At 1 o'clock I come back home, and at 4 o'clock I do my homework. So this is, I have written the routine. So same way you also have to do this, and you have to draw the hands of the clock also in this the same way. So dear children, I hope you all have understood this lesson nicely. If there any problem, you can ask me. So now we'll move on to the workbook part of the same lesson. So till then, bye bye.